Today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make loops like this. Let's get to it. First things first, you are gonna want to make a chord progression. You can copy mine if you want. Nothing too crazy. You don't need anything too crazy. It could be like four notes, 3-4 notes. Then once you got that, we're gonna use 7 different pad sounds with the same exact chord progression, all layered on top of each other. Just trust the process. I'm gonna show you how to make it happen. If you got Vital, Serum presets, you can find those on Reddit, all over the place. But yeah, just do that, and then we'll move on to the next step.
I'm paranoid of getting along. You know that I'm terrified.
Okay, so I did add a guitar loop on top of my sound just to add a little more texture that I got from Splice. You guys can also do that as well. Just go find your key and mess around until you find a sound you like. Make sure you do it through piano roll as well, because once we're done with that, we are going to go up to this up here, right click it, and then quick render as an audio clip. So you have this, and we'll just keep that to the side for now. And then after that, you want to find a vocal sample within the same key and BPM, obviously. And then once we're done with that, you want to just get your loop, double click the loop, bring up this thing, get Slice X, drag it in, and then we're ready for the next step. Then once you're in here, just hit this little flag looking thing, go to auto slice, and I like to do medium. You can also mess around with large as well, but I usually go medium. Also, just to prevent clicking and stuff, if you hit this little drop down thing right here, you can go to presets and use ADSR. You guys can kind of mess around with it, and now we can play with these sounds. Alright, so this is my little pattern I just came up with. Once you're done with that, now it's time to chop with the vocals. Same old thing, just take the vocals and just throw them in an instance of Slice X.
I'm holding on.
Alright, now you literally have a loop. Like, you just chopped up 2 things and now you have a loop. Like, listen. That's basically just the main principles and the basics that you need to know to be able to do this. And you guys can do whatever you want with that from now. Literally, like, make all types of beats. You can make DMB, trap. Like, these kind of go well with a lot, to be honest. I've seen a lot more of it going around nowadays. If you like this video and help you out, leave a like, subscribe. That helps me out. And yeah, I'll also drop this as a free loop for you guys to use. So peace out.
She said she don't love me no more.